This is a 2011 Audi Q7. It has a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium Plus package, a cold weather package, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, front and rear floor mats, rear fog lamps, roof rails, an anti-lock braking system, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 18,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Audi qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Thank you for considering RLB Auto Group for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 2020 South Cherry Lane in Fort Worth.